Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a new episode of Ghost Talks, where I'm your host, Ghost, and today we're talking about 5 challenges that you're going to go through as an indie developer. One of the biggest problems that you're going to go through is actually starting the project that you're dreaming of doing. It doesn't matter if it's a small project, large project, or even in between. Most times, just getting started is going to be the most critical hurdle that you're going to go through. You're going to go through more problems going down the road as technical issues do appear, bugs do appear, or even problems that are outside of your hands. But when you actually go through this process, taking your first steps is solving the issue of getting started. One of the other biggest problems that you're going to go through as an indie developer is always going to be the criticism. As developers, creators, or even entrepreneurs, you're going to go through this one, and people are going to say positive and they're going to say negative stuff, but as creators, as business people, as developers, we just have to take it all with a grain of salt. Just because somebody dislikes whatever you create or just loads it with deep, passionate hate doesn't mean that the product that you created does not have a following of people that actually love it. You could even take Nintendo an example. A lot of people criticize, a lot of people hate them, but they do make products that I would say majority or a lot of people actually love. You just got to take it with a grain of salt. Another big problem that you're going to go through is the control scheme. Not every game, not every development, not every process is going to be the same, and in some cases we actually have to work a little bit of wizardry to actually figure out what type of control scheme do we actually feel that is most beneficial and fun, I would say, for our game. Us as developers entirely, there could be multiple possibilities of the way that you interact with games. It could be from touchscreens, it can be from actual controllers, it can be even from Nintendo Labo. It's just countless, endless ways of actually having fun with these games. As I said before, it is our duty to figure out which one is going to work and which one works best for the application that we are working on currently. Patience is one of the biggest hurdles as developers that we go through. We always want to see the finish line, and we have just started and we're in the incubation stage. This hurdle that we go through and this challenge that we go through is going to make or break us. However, with a little bit of patience, a little bit of perseverance, and just giving it your all will make that challenge just disappear. And lastly, the biggest challenge that we will go through is finishing the product. People spend years, people spend months, and even centuries trying to finish their first project, or even their third, fourth, fifth. These are their babies. These are the things that they create with their own hands. These are things that they don't want everybody else in the gallery to see. These are things that mean the most to us. But it doesn't help if you don't actually release this product. So finishing your product will be the most beneficial thing that you could possibly do. Having people tear it to shreds, or applauding it, or even saying that you're the greatest, or even the worst, or even the villain, means that you have one step closer to becoming the best developer that you can possibly be. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.